President Trump has announced a $2,000 dividend check going out to Americans. But before you plan on spending that check, we're going to give you some truths about that dividend payment and if it's actually coming through. Welcome to the Wealth Twins Show. Let's talk about if that $2,000 dividend payment is actually going to happen and what it actually means for America. Nicole, what do you think about this $2,000 dividend check that Trump is proposing?
I don't know. The first time I heard about this, the image that conjured up in my head was that Oprah moment where she's like, "You get a car, you get a car, that person gets a car, everyone gets a car." Right? It sounds like that. Problem is, she had the cars, but the government doesn't have the money. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Look, based on what the estimates are, it seems like this money is coming from tariffs. This is where he's saying he's giving this dividend check. But the money collected from tariffs is around $195 billion, depending on which sources that you're reading. However, if you were giving this $2,000 dividend check to every American that qualifies for it, it's over 200 billion. So right there, you already don't have enough money to give those checks out to everybody. So it can't be an Oprah moment. It's more like an overpromise moment. It sounds good, but the math ain't mathing.
Now, if you remember, the reason why that Trump said he was putting these tariffs in place was to be able to pay down the American debt, right? So, what is it? Is it paying down the American debt or is it paying back Americans who are feeling it in their pockets right now what these tariffs are doing? Now, the problem is this. If you're going to pay down the national debt with the tariff money, as was the intention, but also try to give each American who is under, I guess they said, not high income individuals, so they really don't have if who is actually going to and whether or not it's going to go to children also. How does that happen? You can't pay off the national debt and pay back Americans $2,000. It just doesn't work. So, what is really the case here? Now, they just interviewed the Treasury Secretary, Scott Bessent, right? And he said, well, maybe that can come back in a different form to Americans, like in a form of tax breaks. The problem with this is that they promised us tax breaks also. So now you're going to try to use these tax dividends, like this tariff dividends of $2,000 as a tax benefit. Which one is it? No one knows. But at the end of the day, that money cannot be covered by anything.
I mean, if you think about, let's just do some basic math here because you're saying the deficit and everything like that. So
Yep.
let's just really make it clear for people. One, the deficit is because, let's just explain that. One, the government has spent close to $8 trillion this year, right? Now, in terms of money collected, the government, as of fiscal year ending right now, around 2025, where we are, they have collected close to 6 trillion. That means there's about $2 trillion that they are spending but have not gotten any revenue to cover it. So a deficit means you're running in the negative, okay? So that's what that means. There's $2 trillion that we have to cover. And part of that money that was going to be used to help recover or help close that deficit was from tariffs, right? Which, as I mentioned earlier, have only accounted for about 197 billion. Now, those both sound like big numbers, billions and trillions, but there's a huge difference between $1 billion and $1 trillion, okay? So even though that's just a drop in a bucket, if all that tariff money that we have collected had gone towards paying off the debt that we have, okay? So that right there is not going to work. On top of it, when you say something is a dividend comes from profits. That means that you've made a profit, right? But no, these dividends is just a marketing term because what these are and what they should be called is a rebate. You're getting revenue and you're distributing that revenue to people. It is not a dividend, it's not from profits, okay? And the best way to actually cover that, along with helping to pay off that deficit that we have, is to throw all the money into the deficit because that's where it could actually, even though it's just a drop in the bucket, it could actually do more work than a one-time payment to Americans.
Now, I wanted to talk about the actual source of this money, right? Right now, the tariffs are being imposed and we are getting money from the tariffs. But the problem is the corporations who are being affected by these tariffs, they're the ones who are funding the cost of these tariffs and they're not pushing it so much on the consumer, right? Now, what's happening right now is that the Supreme Court is weighing in if these tariffs are even legal. If the tariffs are deemed illegal and the president had put these tariffs on goods coming into the country illegally, then that money has to be paid back to these corporations. So if that happens, this money doesn't even exist. Now, what people also have to understand is when is the payment of these supposed dividend checks supposed to happen? they're supposed to happen not this year for the holidays or for Christmas or anything like that. They're proposing maybe it will happen in mid 2026. Nicole, what else happens in mid 2026?
Let me guess. The midterm elections, right? Because right
Oh,
now
really?
people feel the pain. People are not happy with what's going on in the
Hmm.
economy, what's going on in their personal lives, and the cost of groceries, right? But if you're promising something and you're saying that this is coming out in 2026, right? You're more likely to get that person's vote who's hurting because they'll say, if I vote for the Democrats or someone else who's not Republican, then maybe that $2,000 dividend check won't happen. So it's kind of like a little carrot to get you to stay long enough to vote for them to go into 2026 and beyond. So this, I think, is actually funny timing. You mention it now when people are feeling the hurt, but yet the payment won't come until after or around the time of the midterm election. So it's kind of funny if you ask me.
Well, I'll tell you what's not funny. Trump benefited a lot with those stimulus checks that he gave out during the COVID pandemic, right? So he's playing against, hey, if this did so well for me and people remember me giving them these checks, the same thing might happen in the midterms. And maybe the House and the Congress or the House and the Senate might not be such in dire straits of being turned over from Republican hands to the Democrat hand. So this is a strategy also. Now, one thing you also have to understand is that when it comes to these payments, right? Congress is the one that has the power to do these payments. The president cannot just give out dividends or any checks to Americans without the approval of Congress. So it has to go through both the House and the Senate for this to even be a reality. And the problem is, we already know we're going to run a deficit from that one big, beautiful bill that passed a couple of months ago. And we're going to run a deficit that we're already doing because the national debt is already going higher. So there's a lot of roadblocks to this actually becoming reality for most people to get a $2,000 dividend check. So my thing is, do not plan on getting this. It might fall the same way as that Doge dividend check that we were supposed to all get a couple of months ago with all the savings they got from the bulk or the gluttony of the government. Where did those savings go? No one's seen it. So if you want to really benefit people, get rid of the tariffs because you'll get more money in Americans' pockets than a $2,000 dividend check.
I mean, yeah, yeah, thanks. That's the best thing you could do is get rid of the tariffs because I
Yep.
was actually talking to a friend of mine who's an economist professor, right? There he says that currently right now, we're not feeling the full effects when it comes to tariffs because yes, we have said it before on this channel and people had, put it against us that we said tariffs will actually end up being paid by the consumer, not the corporations at all, okay? But my economist friend actually told me right now, because the tariffs are going on and off and on and off, companies they actually can't make plans like that. They have to make business plans like 5 years out, especially when it comes to making new products, building factories. They have to have a plan that's much longer in timeline than say an individual. So when we have a government that's flip-flopping on these tariffs and how much the tariffs are for each country, these businesses have said the best way to actually go about this is to really absorb the costs right now until we get a real idea as how long these tariffs are going to last, what they're actually going to be for each country, and how they're really going to impact our business decisions. So that's why many consumers have not really felt the huge effect of what these tariffs can happen. But one way that they know could actually help Americans instead of just a one-time payment, right? We don't even know if this is going to be a one-time payment or not. But if it is going to be a one-time payment, having $2,000 today sounds good, but in the long term, it does not help you. But actually taking the tariffs off, that can help you immediately and it can help in the long run because then everyone can plan better and the cost of all these goods, especially the imported ones, can get lower because the businesses can say, okay, I can have a more definitive way of looking at my business plan for the next, forecasting my business forward. So therefore, I know exactly how much I can actually charge my consumers.
Exactly. I don't want people to get caught up in $2,000 now and then end up paying thousands of dollars more each year on the common goods they use in their home. So just look at this and say, is this actually good for the American family or is it not? Guys, we all know that $2,000 sounds great. Who wouldn't want that, right? But the thing is this, that money has to come from somewhere. And if the proposed place that it's coming from is from the tariffs, we already know that's short, right? And you can't be promising this money everywhere because you're robbing Peter to pay Paul. And at the end of the day, no one gets anything, and it actually hurts us in the long run. We never know what's going to happen. This video is our opinion. It could work. Who knows, right? But let us know. Do you think this would actually be helpful to Americans, or is it just another political strategy? What do you think? We want to hear from you guys in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this, even if you're on our side or not, we appreciate you watching. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone you care about. And with that, we'll see you in the next one right here.